All right, guys, we back. 1969 Pontiac GTO convertible clone. She has a 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is in good condition. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 7.5, 8. She has minor blemishes and imperfections. She's in driver quality condition. Let's check her out. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in overall good condition. She shows signs of being driven. She has bucket seats, console, floor mounted shifter. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. Check out that dash. Mileage reads a little over 26,000. She has an upper dash pad, lower dash. She has a 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has power steering. Let's start her up. Sound pretty good. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollermuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Damn, she sounds good. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.